Japan does have it.
Okay.
I don't know where.
Yeah, when I went to Okinawa one time, I made friends with a guy in the Marines, and he took us on base because I wanted to eat Popeyes really badly.
Yeah.
And I swear it was like a room full of high school bullies in the face. Everyone looked like they were like 20-year-old, like ex-high school bullies.
Yeah. Just the haircut.
Yeah, I guess just the haircut. Yeah, not nice of me to say.
Yeah. Funny, bro.
I think the reason we lost is you weren't playing.
Yeah, you think so?
Yeah.
This team's solid.
Yeah. I mean, they have the same jersey, so you know they play together before.
I really want to get a one against this blue team again. When did you get married out here, dude?
February 2023.
Okay. Last year around.
So yeah, you're almost half ago.
Where'd you meet your wife?
Like 5 minutes after I landed on Bumble.
Okay.
So I guess I wasn't taking my time, but she's wonderful. So I got very lucky.
That's awesome, bro.
Yeah.
That is truly awesome.
Oh God.
And she speaks English?
Yeah, she's Japanese, but she grew up in Okinawa, and then her family moved to Canada, and then she lived there until like after college and everything. So she's really like bilingual. She wanted to come watch sometime, but I'm like, that's not the vibe, and I'm not good enough.
That's how it is, bro. I'm always scared after to watch. Every time I have someone I watch, I either play my best game ever or my worst.
Yeah,
So it's always a toss-up.
yeah,
And you know, when I play bad, I'm always like, you know, I understand you're doing awesome.
I know. She's a very competitive person too, so
Yeah.
if I didn't play well, I'd be like done for 2 days.
You just make you train.
Yeah. It was so funny. You know how like getting your driver's license here is like a thing?
Yeah.
So her mom like helped me train me to get my driver's license, and she was so like strict about it. Like when I kind of messed up, she was like, "No, do it again." And then I get it right. She's like, "Okay, tell me again." Like she was so good at training.
We're back. Oh, we're back.
I think it's my turn to sit out.
Enjoy it, bro. I know I enjoyed mine, but that's...
White shots.
방금 수비할 때 괜찮잖아. 수비할 때 괜찮잖아. 너가 미안하다 나가 있잖아. 나가 있잖아. 진짜 다리 좀 하실까? 大丈夫です。 10番いいやつ。10番誰？10番誰？
あ、11番だと思った。あ、どうぞどうぞ。
本当に。西どやと。
はあ、マサさん、サインアップの期間は当日でも OK？ か当日避けた方がいいですか？
当日はもう締め切る場合がある。
あ
あまり遅いと締め切りで
あ、うん
参加できなくなる。
うん。で、前の日は前の日もちょっとダメですか？
前の日？
そうそうそう。
前の日にち？
そう。
前の日にちは大丈夫な場合もあるよ。
ああ、人数が大丈夫だ。
そうそうそう。
ああ。で、人数が足りなかったら当日でも OK？
オッケーオッケ
ああ、わかりました。
ー。ラボーラから連絡してください。
そうですね。
ね。
ラボラの人はマサさんじゃないですか？
私。
ああ、そうですね。